Ever wondered about the right way to send an instant message in a professional setting? Well, instant messaging, or IM, is a real-time online chat tool commonly used in workplaces for both one-on-one and group discussions. You've probably heard of popular IM apps like Slack, Google Hangouts, and HipChat. Unlike emails, IMs are quick, informal, and spontaneous. So let's make sure we're using instant messaging effectively and appropriately. So, what should you do when using instant messaging in a professional setting? Well, first things first, professionalism is key. That means keeping your messages concise, clear, and free from spelling or grammar errors. You also need to exercise patience. Just because instant messaging is quick, it doesn't mean you'll always get an instant reply. So, avoid bombarding your contact with multiple follow-up messages. It's also crucial to respect others' statuses. If they're marked as busy, only message them if it's urgent. Remember, it's about communication, not interruption. What about the things you should avoid when using instant messaging at work? Let's delve into some of the don'ts. Always remember, professional communication is key, so avoid casual language and slang. Remember, you're not texting a friend, but communicating with your colleagues. Be patient, don't overload the other person with a barrage of messages. Everyone is busy, so don't expect immediate responses. And here's a big one. Avoid using instant messaging for sensitive or complex topics. These matters deserve a more personal touch. IM is a tool, not a toy. Use it wisely. How do you start and end conversations in a professional way on IM? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Starting a conversation typically involves a polite greeting, followed by a quick check-in to see if the other person is available. It's all about respect for their time. Now, when it comes to ending conversations, it's important to indicate when you're about to leave the chat. A simple, "I have to go now, talk later," works wonders. However, a farewell message isn't always necessary unless you feel it's appropriate. Remember, communication is key, whether it's starting a conversation or ending one. Let's quickly recap the main points we've discussed. Instant messaging is a swift, informal, and spontaneous tool for communication. Maintain professionalism, be mindful of grammar and spelling, and avoid bombarding with follow-ups. Respect statuses and initiate conversations politely. Always inform when leaving a conversation. With these tips, you're now well equipped to use instant messaging effectively in any professional setting. Happy messaging!